In this tutorial we will learn how to use action in Photoshop. So let's get started. Select the action in the window and create a new folder. Then add a new action, and name it to your setup. You can also add color to your layer if you want. Then hit record. Now what I am going to do, is to make an action color adjustments, and save it to the destination where I want. The process that I will do, will be recorded in the action that I am trying to create. Now check the action window, then click the stop button, to make the action end. Go to history, select the process back, then change your photo from the beginning. Click play in the action that we make, so we can see if the process that we did was recorded. Now you create your own action by using color adjustments. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.